So go to this link here. I'm going to put it in the chat. We're going to have some fun. So now it's our turn to practice. So what we need is on the left side, you'll see utensils. Okay. And you're going to open that. And then at the bottom, you click on this little circle in the middle. Give me a thumbs up when you're at the link and you have the utensils open and you have the circle open here. Give me a big Y when you have it, or a thumbs up. It was at the bottom of your page here. At the bottom of your page, you'll see this little toolbar. Click on the circle in the middle and then click on line and draw a line. Okay, with the letter right beside it, the T, label your line A and B. Okay, let me know when you've constructed line segment AB. It's a lot of fun. Yes, okay. So you've constructed AB. Now click line again, and I'm going to draw a longer line. So let me know when you have two lines. Give me a big 2 in the chat. You have the utensils open. This is where we get to use the compass and have some fun. So click on the compass. And what we're going to do is see how my hand is on the left side of the compass? That moves it. So we're going to put the one point on A and move the other point to B. So give me a C when you have your compass in place on AB. Where's the compass? The compass is on the over here under utensils. And here's the compass. What we're going to do is we are going to move our compass straight down to our second line. Give me a big Y when you've done that. What we're going to do is right on the pencil, draw an arc. And look at our segments. We can label this C, and we can label this D. Now, you may say, are they actually the same length? Well, click on the ruler over here and let's measure. So for mine is a little less than 8 centimeters, and the second one is a little less than 8 centimeters. Did you do it? So give me a big Y if your lines were the same. Yay, awesome. Let's get rid of this ruler. Any questions about that? Any questions about that? You want to try it again? So let's try another one. We're going to start with a line segment. A line right here. Label it E, D, and F. Then what's the next step? Next step is to draw another line below it. Okay, right here. Now we use the compass. So let's move the compass. Remember, the left side moves the compass, and we want to move it in to the point. Now bring it down and draw our little arc. Now, I've got a question for you. How do we write that AB is congruent to CD? Or in the second example, let's label this one G and H. So how do we write that they're congruent to each other? Yes, awesome. With a line on top. Excellent. So we could write, let me get the pencil. We could write AB is congruent to line segment CD. And down here for number 2, we could write DF is congruent to GH.